Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your company's details to the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then tap on settings down below. Click on company in the middle of the screen, that's the first option. Here you can set the logo at the top by tapping on it. You can either design it or select it from your gallery. Then you can add your company's name by tapping on it, and you can add the company details by tapping on this section. Here you can set the company name, so type it in, and then you can add the address, and you can insert additional fields by tapping on the add more info button. So type in and add as many as you want to. Tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should select your country, your currency, the terms such as same day, or here you can select from these options. You can also add the payment settings, change the password, and you can read about the subscription. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.